In today's class, we will learn next 5 sounds, that is F, G, H, I and J. So let's move on. On the screen, you can see the letter F. The sound of letter F is F. It is F. Now you can see some words on the screen. We will pronounce these words using sound of letter F as F. Fashion, fashion. Flag, flag. Fan, F-A-N. F sounds F, so it is fan. Fox, it is fox. You can see letter G. Sound of letter G is G. It is G. God, G-O-D. G sounds G, so we will pronounce it as God. Garland, girl, G-I-R-L, girl. Great, G-R-E-A-T, great. So this was the sound of letter G. Students, now you can see on the screen the letter H. The sound of letter H is H. The sound of letter H is H. Let's pronounce these words using sound H. Hand, H-A-N-D, hand. Hello, hello. Head, H-E-A-D, head. Hotel, H sounds H, so we will pronounce it as hotel. I, the letter I has sounds E. It has sound E. I sounds E. I double M, in, in. I double L, in, in. I-G-L-O-O, igloo. It's igloo. I-N-K, ink. The sound of letter I is E. It's a long one. So, it will be pronounced as ink. In, ill, igloo, ink. The sound of letter J is J. The sound of letter J is J. J, J-A-I-L, J. Jump, J-U-M-P, jump. We are using the sound J. Jumbo, judge, J-U-D-G-E, judge.
Students, let's do an activity together, revising all the sounds we have done today. Now on the screen, you will see 5 letters F, G, H, I and J and a word green with sound G. G is the sound of letter G. Now there is a word jail, sound J. J is the sound of letter J. Idea, sound I. It is a sound of letter I, matching it with letter I. Fruit, F. F is the sound of letter F. Hammer, H. H is the sound of letter H.
In today's class, we have covered 5 sound students, that is F, G, H, I and J. Till now, we have done sound from A to J. So, your home assignment, your homework is to revise these sounds